Hey everyone, it's Jen. Thank you so much for joining me today for this week's Friday haul. It is Friday, October 28th. Hope everybody had a great week. Things are good here. I did just a little bit of shopping this week, so this is going to be a pretty short video. But yeah, it's just one of those in-between kind of weeks. I was busy with my Etsy shop and design team projects, so shopping I'll have to do more next week. But I did find some good stuff, some Christmassy stuff at Joann's and Dollar Tree. So let's go ahead and get started. These things I bought at Joann's, and they weren't on sale. These are new Tim Holtz Christmas products. I did get one for 40% off, but otherwise they were regular price. And I have my receipt here, so I should be able to tell you what they were. The first item, this I thought looked really cool. This is Tim Holtz Distress Grit Paste, and this is the Snowfall color, which is new. And it says that it's sparkling translucent paste with clear glitter for textured dimensional effects. This was $7.99. And I thought this would be a great detail for cards or mixed media projects, gingerbread houses, things like that. So let me show you what it looks like. I did use it. It looks like this in the package. It's really like a thick paste, but you could kind of clump it around to look like snow. When it dries, it's clear, so I'll show you, but it does have the sparkle in it. I was looking online, and I think it might say here too. Yeah, you could colorize it. When it's wet, you could add paint, or when it's dry, you can paint it as well. So I made this tag for Erica's shop, Scrap Diva Designs, and if you saw my video yesterday, I showed this in detail. But I did add that grit paste down at the bottom, and it did not take long to dry at all. I have it on here pretty thick, and it dried in like less than 2 hours, so I thought that was good. So it feels kind of cool, just kind of bumpy and stuff. I would have liked this to be more white, so next time I'll add a little bit of white paint. Right now it just kind of looks like slush to me. But I think it's, I don't want to paint it white right now because that'll take the glitter away. So I'm just going to leave it, and I think it does look cute anyway. But this was pretty cool, and I'm glad I picked it up, especially for wintry projects. So there's that. And then the next thing I got are the holiday rub-ons. They're called Remnant Rubs, Christmas Noel. And I do have another version of these, but I'm running out of the sayings, so I wanted to get some more. So this comes with 2 sheets. Usually it comes with the ones with the black letters and the ones with the white. That's what I'm assuming. Oh no, this is just 2 of the same. And it comes with the popsicle stick that you can rub them on. So this was, let's see, this was $5.99. So I don't think that's bad for these 2. They work really well to rub on to, you know, your tags or whatever. I think they look really nice and professional once we're all done. And I love all the little graphics too, just nice and vintagey looking. So I'll be sure to show projects when I use these. So glad I found those. And then the last thing I got from Joann's is this. These are the backdrops, and they're 24 double-sided sheets, and the Christmas theme, of course. So these are all the sheets that come in there, but let me go ahead and show you since I have a small haul. Might as well take these out. So these measure, does it say? Yeah, 6 by 10. So good for cards or scrapbooks or whatever. I love the vintage look of these, and they're double-sided. Sorry. Just like kind of a blown-up receipt from 1869. And that's the back of that one. Here's a nice Christmas plaid. These are really nice thick papers. These will be great for your junk journals or, you know, December dailies. Gingerbread nuts, gingerbread pudding. Oh, they're all like recipes. That's cool. And then you have this, I don't know, is it a bingo card? Doesn't look like bingo. I'm not sure what that is. Another advertisement, some vintagey poinsettias. Love that side. Kind of a checkered. And a blueprint. More ads. Pretty colors on the top. That's the back of that one. More poinsettias. Oh, that's cute. Look at that. It's a 1942 calendar. Oh, that's really pretty. I love that. Stripe. More giant receipts, just totally blown up. Fine carriage and sleigh painting. Huh. Neat. And then some holly, another receipt, another advertisement. That's pretty. This is a telegram, it looks like. Very nice. Cute, 1886. I love vintagey Christmas papers. And here's some music, Joy to the World. I heard the bells on Christmas Day. That's pretty. Another plaid. It's nice that they're all different too, you know, for this kind of thing. You don't need more than one, I don't think. Nice stripe. There's a recipe for Christmas plum pudding. And another receipt. Toys, dolls, fancy goods, French and German baskets from 1895, I think. Wood grain. Oh, that's cute. World famous candies. Bunt Brothers. Another ad. That's a really cute vintagey print. Love that. This looks like different trees and pine cones, and that's the back. And then that one, and oh wait, these two. So yeah, nice papers. I think I still have most of mine left from last year too. I don't know if they're different or not. I should check that out. But that was, I think that's the one I got 40% off. Let's see. That was, yeah, that was $9.99, so 40% off. It came out to be $5.99. So that's it from Joann's. And then I went to Dollar Tree, a different one than I usually go to, and they had some Christmassy stuff out that I've seen people haul, but I hadn't been able to find till now. I picked up these cute bottle brush trees in 3 different colors. They have the little candy base, which I think is so cute. So these are pink and they have a little bit of snow flocking on them. They're a good size too. So I got that one. I got the green that has the green and red base, and then I got the yellow, which I thought was pretty cool, and that has a yellow and white base. So I will probably sprinkle these into my gingerbread or, you know, Christmas decor upstairs when Christmas comes around. I also found these 2 little dishes, and these are so adorable. I love this. Baking Spirits Bright, and they're ceramic. It has some gingerbread snowflake cookies, a whisk, and the measuring spoons, and it's by Royal Norfolk. So, oh, that's a Dollar Tree brand. Okay. So super cute, nice size. And then I got this one too that I put some buttons in because I was using them in a project. This one's my favorite. It says Warm Wishes, and it has the 2 gingerbread guys. And these are double-sided too, by the way. So these would be great to, you know, bake goods in and give them to your neighbors or whatever. I probably will just keep them for like candy or just even in my craft room, things like this. So that'll work out. And then the last thing I got is not crafty related, but I want to show you anyway. These are rainbow marshmallows, and they're the Yum Mallow brand. I usually get things like this at Walmart. I know for sure they sell these at Walmart. And for $1.25, this is great. I like to put them like in a apothecary jar on my kitchen display. So they look really, really pretty in a glass jar. They're all like different rainbows of marshmallow, and they're delicious too. They're vanilla flavor. So for $1.25, that's awesome, and they're good until March. So can't beat that. I probably should have got more than that. So yeah, that's it for my haul. Sorry it's so short this time, but you know, got to balance it out, a short one and a big one. I went to At Home this morning just to see if there was anything new there. No, they didn't really have any more of the Mrs. Claus Bakery things, so I didn't get anything. I just walked around a little bit. And that's it. So I'll be back soon. I've got more design team work to do, more of my other projects. I think at this point I have one more of my baskets in my Etsy shop. So if you're interested, go ahead and check that out. My link to my Etsy store is in the description box. So thank you so much for watching. I'll be back soon with more crafty videos for sure. I hope you have a wonderful weekend. My daughter's coming home for the weekend, so I'm excited to see her, and enjoy Halloween if you celebrate it. on Monday, or if you're going to any parties or anything this weekend. I'll be giving out candy on Monday, so I love to see the kids in their costumes. We live in a neighborhood that has lots of kids, and yeah, it's always really busy, so I have tons of candy to give out. Anyway, enough chatting. I will be back soon, like I said, and have a wonderful weekend. Take care, everybody. Thank you so much for watching. Bye.